Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some really cool Shein beauty items that I just recently received. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything is going to be linked down below in the description box as always. Huge thank you to Shein for partnering with me on today's video. Like I said, everything's going to be linked down below in the description box. And also, if you use this coupon code that is on the screen, you will get 15% off your order. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. So first up, we have this little container of blenders. I absolutely love this. I love this. I love this, and it has the little curved, I mean, I just love blenders. Like, use them all the time. Love the fact that I now have a ton of them. These are like little baby ones. They're so cute. These ones I really love. These ones are my favorite because these are great to kind of go and clean up your contour and really get up underneath your eye, and if you want to contour your nose a little bit more to press the powder. My kids already claim this, so I'm gonna have to give this to them as soon as it's over. This is just the, it would have been perfect for Ava to have this yesterday because she, with her school, they did twin day, and her friends decided to do triplet day instead, and they were the Powerpuff Girls. Anyways, it's the Powerpuff Girls, and it's just a really great clear bag. My kids are using it because they've been going to the football games, and Ava will put all of their stuff in here and just kind of carry it. They usually only allow clear bags, so that would be perfect for that, but also just like as a makeup bag, especially if you love the Powderpuff Girls. Next up is this really cool mirror. It is a trifold mirror, which I can't really show y'all, like, because it's gonna blind you, but it's trifold. Okay, so there's a mirror here, the mirror here, and there's a mirror here. And then I also wanted to mention real quick, I know my eyes, I'm trying out a new color contact, trying to see if I can get used to them. I know they're pretty intense, but it has a little light right here. You just turn it on, off, and the battery was included, so it came included. And it's perfect, whether you're at work, at school, at home. It's just perfect. It's portable. If you want to bring it with you at night and throw it into your purse, again, it's portable enough to do so. And you just kind of take it out, and you have the light, and you can kind of just reapply or readjust whatever it is. Girl, hold on. Let me do some readjusting real quick. Hold, please. I'm gonna need to add some moisture to these lips. Oh. Of course, so hold on, let's readjust for a second. There we go, see, it even came in handy for this video. Next, we have these lashes. If you guys don't know, Shein has this beauty line where they also sell makeup, they sell nails, like press-on nails. I have a ton of them. I love their press-on nails. These are their lashes, so they also sell lashes. So these are like DIY lash extensions. Now it says that they're, if you understand this whole like 40D, like D curl, C curl, I don't know what any of that means, but it's a 40D 0.07 D 9 to 16 mix. So I do know that that is 9 millimeters to 16 millimeters. So that's a good range. Anytime I've ever bought these DIY lash extensions, it's never been this much of a range. So that's really good. That's what they look like. This right here is a little brush cleaner. So what I do to wash my brushes is I will take, it's a huge bar of soap that you can get. I think it was like $1.96. I don't know. I got it from Walmart, but I will literally just take that and just run my brushes in it, over it, and then you take this, and all of this texture is gonna really help to get down deep into those brushes and to really help clean the inside of them. Next, we have a little 3-piece brush set. Again, this is totally my aesthetic. I absolutely love it. So this one is just like a little puff. This one is a little bit of a, it could be like a blender brush. This would be great actually to like take some concealer and really just kind of buff it in. And then this right here is just a white, it's very, very dense. So it's not very fluffy at all. They sent me a pink jade roller, which this just, I'm assuming it kind of helps firm your skin. I don't really know the science behind these, but I do know that they feel freaking amazing, especially if you put them in the freezer. I do know that this, if you put it in the freezer, the coldness is going to help depuff up underneath the skin or underneath the eye. But I will say anytime you use any kind of roller or anything on your skin, make sure it is moisturized. And then these are really cool too. These are reusable little travel containers, so you can put in whatever. Put your stuff in here, your toiletries, and it's traveling, and it's really cool. And they're also reusable, I'm thinking, so that's really cool too. This was something, I think that this came with the jade roller. It did. So these two came together. This is a gua sha. Now this I have seen people use, and it transforms the shape of their face. You're gonna do this, you're gonna have to be super consistent with it. Thank you, Shein, for sending me a pink one. I'm gonna get to gua sha-ing, and I'm gonna see if this really works. I just need to stay consistent with it. That's the thing, is you need to be consistent with it. But gua shas are very, 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 very popular, and I'm so glad that I have one now. This right here is just a cute little brush. I don't know what it is, but lately, I normally don't have tangled hair, but lately my hair has been, probably because I've been working out so much. That's probably what it is. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. So yeah, I've been working out a lot, and my hair has been super tangled, so I have to brush my hair more than I've ever had to brush it before. So I will notice myself be out, like out and about running errands, and I'm like, crap, my hair needs to be brushed. Like, I really need to brush my hair. Well, now I have me a little portable brush, and this is a little mirror, so it's just gonna go in my little purse, and just make sure you clean out the hair before you try to close it, because that's gross. Next, we have these peach jelly lip masks. I am not showing Ava these because she is gonna try to steal these from me. So after 20 minutes, you massage your lips to increase the absorption, and then you clean them off, and then it is recommended that you use them 2 to 3 times a week. So I got me some lip masks, and my daughter's going to be jealous. Do you think I'm really not going to share these? Of course I'm going to share them, just saying. This is also something my daughter's going to steal from me. Super cute. This is the Peach Scent Roll-On Deodorant. She always has deodorant with her. She might not want to smell like peaches, and if she don't, then I will. This smells amazing. I don't know like how well it actually like works to really like, you know, help you stay fresh as far as like underneath the arms, but this smells amazing. She's probably gonna steal it from me though, because she likes to take these little travel size things with her to school, so I'm gonna let her have it, I guess. Last but not least is this nano facial steamer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Don't know how this is gonna, okay, so this charges, has a little charger. Hold on, I just dropped the instructions. Look at how pretty it is! Oh, that's gorgeous. So you pour like magic water, essence, pure dew, saline, toner into the water tank. It actually sprays out? How cool is that? I wanna try this right now. So it literally just steams. Jill, it was called a steamer. That is so cool. I'm gonna have to read up on this and the benefits, because it was talking about like toner and miracle water. That's so cool. And it's spooky season too. Okay. That's my new little fun toy for the day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Share this video. Engage with it. Do all of the engaging that you can. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for being here. Huge thank you to Shein for partnering with me on today's video and also sending me all these goodies to play with and have fun with. And I guess I'll have to share with my daughter too. So yeah, thank you, Shein. Coupon code is going to be on the screen. Everything's going to be linked down below, as also the coupon code is also going to be listed down below as well in the description box. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.